are talking about some tips and maintenance to take care of your hearing aid during different season, during winter and during summer. So here are some tips first to take care and maintain your hearing aid during summer. First of all, keep away your hearing aid from extreme heat and apply sunscreen carefully, and also consider using a hearing aid dehumidifier. It's a dehumidifier box which comes along with your hearing aid, so you should always keep your hearing aid in that dehumidifier. After use of hearing aid in a day, you can keep your hearing aid in dehumidifier box in the night, and remove your device before swimming. Then there are some tips which should be taken care of during winter. Like, first of all, use the dehumidifier always after use of hearing aid in the day. And in winter, hearing there is no proper sunlight, as there is more fog and no proper heat of sun. So you can keep your hearing aid or dehumidifier in the preheated microwave for 1 to 2 minutes to absorb all the moisture which has come in the hearing aid after certain duration of use of hearing aid. Okay, so these are all tips which should be taken care of for your long life of hearing aid, because it generally hearing aids have 8 to 10 years of life, but it depends how you are taking care of it, how you are using it. So these are few tips which should be taken consideration while using your hearing aid. It will increase the life of your hearing aid. Thank you.